In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check login devices on your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile. Tap at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. After that, we need to go to Account Center. Then tap at Password and Security. And then tap at where you are logged in. Select your Instagram account. And what that will do, that will show you your account login activities. So here in that list you can check all the devices you are currently signed in. I got just one device here, but if you have logged into multiple devices using your Instagram account, you can check all of them here.